వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ స్మార్ట్ క్రియేటివ్ మైండ్స్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇవాళ వీడియోలో వచ్చేసి నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ గురించి స్టార్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాను. చూడండి బోర్డు మీద. సో వెల్కమ్ టు స్మార్ట్ క్రియేటివ్ మైండ్స్. ఈ రోజు టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి హై స్కూల్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ నేను మీకు నేర్పించబోతున్నాను. సో టుడేస్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ సెంటెన్స్. ఓకేనా? So friends, today's topic is about the sentence. So everybody have a doubt, what is a sentence? The sentence means which gives a detailed information about that sentence. Means a group of words can make a sentence. What is a sentence? Let us see the abbreviation. What is the sentence? Okay. A group of words which gives complete meaning is called a sentence. For example, when you are talking or otherwise when you are writing or otherwise when you are speaking, what you have to do? You will talk in a sentence. So while you are talking, it should give a complete meaning so other person can understand what you are telling. So it's the group of words are making a complete sentence. So that is the information about sentence. So for example, if you start a sentence when you are writing, always the sentence will start with a capital letter. Capital letter. So when you are writing something, always the first letter should be start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Capital letter and ends with a full stop. So this is the complete rule while you are speaking or writing in a while. Okay na friends? So once again see, a sentence always begins with a capital letters and ends with a full stop. If it is a sentence, by the end of the sentence you just put a full stop. If it is a question, then you have to put a question mark. Then when it is exclamatory, then you have to give a exclamatory mark. This is the exclamatory mark. So these are the three important rules for the while you are writing a sentence, otherwise while you are making a one complete sentence. Okay, now we will discuss about the types of the sentence. So what are the types of sentences? Just like that. So types of sentences. So what the first sentence is? Assertive sentence. When a sentence says something, it is called a assertive sentence. So what is the meaning of here? When a sentence says something, means that sentence is telling about something. Okay, that sentence is called a assertive sentence. So assertive sentence is ends with a full stop because the assertive sentence is giving full information in the sentence. So the sentence will automatically ends with a full stop. Just let us write one example. So first example, the teacher taught us a new lesson. So who teach the lesson? If you have a question, the teacher taught a lesson. What she taught? She taught a lesson. Means whenever, however you are asking the question, the answer is there in this sentence. So that's why it is called a assertive sentence. Then don't forget to put a full stop by the end of the sentence. See, the first letter is always assertive sentence, capital letter. The teacher taught us a new lesson. I will say one more example. Number 2. My father brought me a new bike. Again you have a question. Who brought the bike? Father. What father brought? Bike. It means the sentence is giving the complete meaning. So that's why this sentence is also called a assertive sentence, and again the sentence is ending with a full stop. And I will write one more example. So here there is no place, I will just tell you. The third example is I saw a beautiful flower. I saw a beautiful flower. Who saw the beautiful flower? I, or otherwise you. Okay, you saw the beautiful flower, or otherwise I saw the beautiful flower. What you seen? I seen a flower. So if you are asking any like the questions, the answer is there in a sentence. So which type of all these type of sentences are come under the assertive type of sentence. Now we will discuss about another type of sentence. So the next type is C, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So if you have a notebook, please note down in your notebook, because if you note down in your book, later also it will help to you. So if you remember now, maybe afterwards you can't remember anything. So if you have a book, please take a book and write a notes. Okay. So what is the interrogative sentence means? When a sentence asks a question. When a sentence asks a question, because sometimes you will question to everybody, no? So you will question to everyone. This type of sentence is called interrogative, means you are interrogating to someone. So that sense is there in your heart to mind. So you have to ask the questions somebody else. So that type of sentence is called interrogative sentences. Just we will see the examples. For example, where are you going? Where are you going? Put a full stop, because this is a question, no? So compulsory you have to put a question mark. Don't forget it. This is very, very important rule for the sentences. Okay. Next we will see the one more example, that is when will the train arrive? Train arrive. Again this is a question. When will the train arrive? So you have to put a question mark. So if you know any sentences, those sentences also you can note down in your notebook. Just let us learn third important type of the sentence. Just wait and see. So the fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. So when a sentence expresses a strong feeling, such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. Okay. See, when a sentence expresses a strong feeling, for example, you have a fear, like that you will give expression. Yeah. When you are in a very happy mood, then how is your face expression? Otherwise, when you are in a sad mood, how is your face expression? Otherwise, you hear some dangerous sound. Oh my God! Like that, sudden feeling, sudden movement will happen sometimes in our life. So such type of time when we are talking, when we are feeling, those all sentences will come under the exclamatory sentences. Just we will write some examples for you. For example, oh, what a beautiful flower. So it is beautiful flower. Okay, normal beautiful flower is the flower is beautiful, but here what you are doing, you are giving more and more importance to that flower. Understood? Generally it is a flower, automatically that flower is nice. If the flower is nice means the flower is nice, generally you will say. But here you are giving a strong feeling, no? Then, oh, this flower is a beautiful flower. Like that, you will change your voice modulation also. Okay, na friends? Oh, this is a beautiful flower. Beautiful flower. Next, hooray! Hooray! We have won the match. We have won the match. Otherwise, we have won the cricket match. Or otherwise, we have won the football match. So, whatever sentence may be, you are giving happiness and you are showing that happiness to others. Hooray! Enjoyment. Okay? Next, we will write one more example. Alas! Alas! She died. She died. Oh, she died. Alas means sad. Very sad expression. Such type of times, such type of situations, we will use the exclamatory sentence. We will speak the exclamatory sentence. Okay friends, I think you understood this today's topic about sentences. We discussed in today's class about assertive sentence. We discussed interrogative sentence. We discussed later on. We discussed about exclamatory sentence. So we discussed today's video is about 3 topics and we learn what is a sentence. So once again I am telling what is a sentence. A words which is giving a complete meaning. Okay. Of course, what is a sentence? The group of words make a sentence. Oh my God, give, take, took, like that. Verbs will be, action words will be, no. The action words, with the help of the action words, we will make a sentence. Okay. And later on, what type of sentences are there? At what time we will speak exclamatory times? What will speak? And assertive times, assertive sentences will end with a full stop. If it is a question, when you are asking a question to somebody else, always the sentence will end with a full stop. And here also, when the exclamatory mark, it is also compulsory for exclamatory sentences, because you are showing the express and you are telling something about while you are seeing something. Okay friends, if you have any doubts, don't forget to post in the comment box below. So based on today's topic, now I am going to be giving some exercise for you. So please note down this exercise and try to give a correct answer to the exercises. Okay. The first one. Shh. Shh means silent. Shh. Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. So what you have to write? You have to write that is a which part of the sentence, whether it is assertive, whether it is interrogative, whether it is exclamatory. Okay, like that, according to that you have to write that is a which type of sentence. You just write in this blank. The next one is, the flower is very beautiful. The flower is very beautiful. Okay. So here also you have to write again. This is a which type of sentence. And the next one is, wow, what a beautiful place. What a beautiful place. Here also write same. Okay, are you noting down? Next I am rubbing and I will write another sentences as exercises. The fourth one is, what would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? I think if you see the question mark, I think you understood what is the answer. And the next one is, he has good memory. He has good memory. Okay, so these are the 5 exercises I'm giving. So by the next time, while I'm starting about class about sentences, I think you will ready to show your homework. If you done the homework, you just write the answers in comment box only. Okay friends, so this is the today's class. So if you have any doubts, don't forget, many times I'm requesting you, please post down in the comment box. Bye.